Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. We have 2019 divided by 2021 plus 2021 divided by 2023 is equal to x. Then we want to find 1 over 2021 plus 1 over 2023 in terms of x actually. Now these two expressions, if we add up these two, we will have 2020 divided by 2021, and this doesn't make sense. But here we have difference 2, and here again difference 2. So if we add 2 to the numerator, we will have something. So let's call these expressions here y, and just multiply this expression by 2. Then we will have this first part is again 2019 divided by 2021 plus 2021 divided by 2023, and this is equal to x. Multiplying by 2, we will have 2 divided by 2021 plus again 2 divided by 2023 is equal to 2y. So if we add these two expressions, we will have just 2021 divided by 2021 and 2023 divided by 2023, and here we will have x plus 2y. This is 1 and the other one is equal to 1, is equal to x plus 2y. So we have x plus 2y is equal to 2, and we want to find what is y. So 2y is equal to 2 minus x, and y is equal to 2 minus x divided by 2. And that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.